Hello crypto users, welcome to this tutorial session where you will learn how to simplify your crypto transactions. Whether you are a business owner or you just want to request payment effortlessly, Oduwa Core Wallet is your go-to destination. And this is because it was particularly designed to make your life easier. So let's get to it. Assuming I'm a car dealer that was approached by a potential customer for a purchase. As an existing Oduwa Core Wallet user, all I have to do is to simply launch the wallet from my PC. Once I've launched it, this is what will get displayed on my screen. After having this displayed, all I have to do then is to go to the left top corner of my screen and explore the Receive tab, which is here. I'll click it. Yes, after clicking it, I am required to fill all the information here. Although they are optional, but to generate your invoice, you need to give specific instructions such as payment, the required payment, label, message. If you have a special message to pass across or instructions, this is where you have to fill all the information. And let's assume the product I'm intending to sell is a 2006 model Toyota Camry. All I have to do is to type it here. Payment for Toyota Camry 2006 model. Then let's assume that 50,000 Oduwa coin is what I'm intending to let this car go. Then I will have to put it here, 50,000. You don't have to put any sign here to indicate that you are paying with Oduwa coin. It's already indicated here already. So after filling the 50,000 required fee for this purchase, if I have specific instructions to pass across, let's assume I'm offering a 20% discount for this particular purchase. If payment is made within 24 hours, I will just have to put it here. 20% discount if payment is made within 24 hours. Then I click the request payment tab. Ooh, as you can see here already, this is the invoice. The best part of this is that your invoice can also serve as your receipt. More so, this particular option is immutable. Like transaction is immutable with this particular option, and it only takes seconds. Thank you.